The Ajax 911 RK Super Duty Rescue Kit. Portable and lightweight. Features our most powerful, hardest-hitting hammer, providing 1,560 blows per minute, with a precision machine spool valve for feathering and control. Includes the Ajax Quick Change Safety Retainer that keeps the chisel securely locked in place for turn and non-turn shanks. Every Ajax 911 RK kit includes our heavy-duty chisels with both turn and non-turn type shanks. All Ajax chisel bits are manufactured from high-quality American-made alloy steel. Included in each 911 RK kit are 15 chisels with both turn and non-turn type shanks, 8 quick cutter with chisels at 9-inch and 18-inch lengths, 4 panel cutters, 2 flat chisels, and 1 moil point. Includes the Ajax high-pressure air regulator that can be used on 4,500 and 5,500 psi air cylinders. Includes a 15-foot heavy-duty double-braided hose with couplers, all stored in a 20-inch steel kit box, with tray and liner, makes this rescue kit completely portable. And the Ajax 911 RKM Super Duty Rescue Kit includes everything in the 911 RK, but with the addition of a half-inch impact wrench and socket set. The 911 RK Series Rescue Kits. American-made tools produced by Ajax Rescue Tools. An extra hand in extrication.